What's up, YouTube? Tech King Mike back with another video for you guys, and we have the Samsung Galaxy anti-reflecting screen protector for our Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Now, I wanted to do a video on this to show you guys what you get in the package with this and applying it to the phone itself. I know that this case, or this screen protector, was bundled with a lot of free cases. I got mine bundled with the vegan leather case, so I figured let's try to put this on and see how it looks on the phone. Sorry for the packaging being a little messed up. I was having some trouble with the unboxing knife, so, you know, savage mode activated, as they say. So we have a little package right there that has some things inside of it. We also have our instruction manual here, and that's pretty much it on the inside. So we can toss that to the side here. And we have a video guide in case you want to use a video guide to put it on. But inside of this package here, as you can see, we have two screen protectors. So we'll take one and put it down. And we will take the other one and we will just go ahead and slide it right back on in here. And I'll go ahead and put it to the side as well. Now, let's see what we get inside of this little package right here. Inside of this package right here, you're going to get your tray. Now, this is going to be what you're going to use to line the phone up to make sure that you put the screen protector on properly. You also, let's see what else do we get inside of here. We get a squeegee. And we get a microfiber cleaning cloth. I don't believe there is any alcohol wipe in here. Let's see here. Oh, and we get a dust removal sticker. And that's it. So no alcohol wipes from Samsung. I'm a little discouraged by that, Samsung. I would have thought that you guys would have given us some alcohol wipes for the phone as well. But I guess beggars can't be choosers, right? So let's go on ahead and get this thing wiped down. And let's get this set up. Now, if you follow the instructions, before I get too far ahead of myself, let me go ahead and show you guys what you get on the directions here. So on the directions, it's pretty much going to tell you step by step exactly what to do. You've also got all your legal mumbo jumbo here, whatever. But the most thing that we care about is how to put the phone, how to put the screen protector on. So as you can see, you got a few steps that you follow here. Most of them are pretty self-explanatory. You have your A, B, and C. So peel off the stickers, apply it down here at the bottom, clean it off, remove the dust, apply the screen protector in the middle, rub it on there, squeegee it off, and then take it apart. So like I said, very straightforward. I feel like personally it's not too complicated, but obviously if you feel like you need to, follow the directions accordingly. They are in the box for your reason. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and do what it said. So first things first, I'm going to peel off the stickies right here and right here. So I'm going to peel that one off and I'm gonna put that to the side. I'm gonna peel that one off and put that to the side. And now I'm going to attach it to my phone. Make sure that it is on my phone as best as it can be. Turn my phone off and boom, now it's on my phone. It's where it's supposed to be. Put that over here to the side. Let's go ahead and use our microfiber cleaning cloth. Let's just give the phone a good, clean wipe down. Now, personally, what I would have liked to have seen is maybe give us some type of a rubber mat to put underneath the phone to keep it from sliding, as this screen protector does make it, or this jig down at the bottom that we have does make it like a little bit uneven. But for the most part, we still are able to put the screen protector on with no issue. Now, since they did not give us a wet wipe, I'm going to give this a really good wipe down. I'm always a fan of using alcohol wipes when it comes to cleaning my products. That's just a personal thing. So I do have one here. This is a Zeiss lens wipe. I use these on almost all of my electronics, including my glasses, and they work great. So I'm going to use one of these just to give it a good wet wipe down, because I do believe that giving your screen a good alcohol wipe down will help when it comes to the cleaning. So just giving it a good clean wipe down. That's all we really want. We just want a clean screen when we put this on. So now let's go back here and hit it one more time with this microfiber cleaning cloth. And as you can see, I do have my fingerprint set up, and I have that set up so that way we can see how it works once we apply the fingerprint to, or once we apply the screen protector to the phone. Now from here, I'm going to go on ahead and turn the phone off. And I believe it is we'll just scroll down up here and tap it, power off. And I'll put my thumbprint in. Okay, so now the phone is going to power off. That way we don't have to worry about the phone trying to power on while we're in the middle of trying to put it down on the screen. And I think we got the screen as good as we're going to get it wiped down. So we're going to put the screen or put the phone down right there. I'm going to use this dust removal sticker. Mind you, like I said, I am doing this from behind the camera, so bear with me. Now, as you can see, we have our screen protector here. It's actually sealed inside of this package. So I'm gonna go ahead and just open it up, pull that out, make sure that that's open all the way first, pull that out, okay? And as you can see where you'll line it up down here at the bottom, so line it up down here, okay? You remove this part first to make sure that it stays down like it's supposed to, then take this part down and then go from there. So that being said, let's go ahead and use these dust removal stickers here to make sure that we're good to go. And I'm gonna zoom in just a little bit for you guys right there. Okay, so now let's use these dust removal stickers to make sure we get all the dust off the phone. Give it a real good, thorough tapping, patting, whatever you want to call it, whatever works for you. Just make sure that you get all the dust off your phone. And from what I can see, I think we are good to go. I'm just going to give it one more good pat down. Okay, so I think we're good to go. So we'll start off by peeling off number one, as it says. Number one has been peeled off. I will line the screen protector up, push it down, and place my finger right there. Now, that is to keep the screen protector in place and to make sure that the screen protector lines up like it's supposed to. Now that the screen protector is in place and it's lining up like it's supposed to, I'm going to peel this part back. And I'm going to take my squeegee here and just push it on out. And voila. I've now applied the screen protector. Looks like there may be a slight piece of dust underneath it, unfortunately. But like I said, I'm doing this from behind the camera, so it is what it is. I also apologize for the glare. It's anti-reflective, Samsung. Why is there such a bad glare? So let's go ahead and peel up this bottom part here. Peel that off like it says, and voila. Let's squeegee that down as well. So make sure we get all the bases covered. So we have the screen protector squeegeed on. And now what I'm going to do is just basically take a little bit of time to just go through, work on any air bubbles that are still on the screen protector itself or on the actual application. Like I said, I do see a few areas where it looks like some dust or some particles did get underneath the screen protector, unfortunately. I do have a trick for that. So if necessary, I do have a way to fix that. So, but I want to make sure I check all of the bubbles and everything before I go too deep into taking care of that. But it looks like that we did have some pieces did get underneath the screen protector. The easiest way to take care of that when that happens is to peel your screen protector back and use your dust removal sticker. Slide it underneath there, take it off, and that should help remove anything that's still there. So let's go ahead and peel these back. And let's see what we're dealing with. So as you can see, we have quite a few air bubbles. So let's go on ahead and just try to squeegee as many of these out. Even the ones that look like they're there because of debris underneath the screen protector. We're just going to try to squeegee as many of these out. So even this one in the middle here, let's try to just get it squeegeed out. I normally like to go for the glass screen protectors, and that's mostly because of either the application trays that they come with that make the application very seamless and smooth, or just because of the overall feel. But I have seen a few reports and issues already stating that the S24 Ultra screen fingerprint scanner does not work well or play well with a lot of screen protectors. So that's one of the main reasons why I want to try to give this Samsung one a run first, just to see how it goes. And also, I mean, I got it for free, so, you know, why not give it a good fair shot and a good opportunity, right? So, got the majority of the bubbles out. As you can see, some of the ones that remain are the results of things being trapped underneath the screen protector. And that is just the unfortunate reality of putting a screen protector on behind camera. There is a 2-pack in the package, just as I showed you guys. You get 2 of them in the package. So it's highly, very, very, very likely that I may end up just either trying to get them to stay down. As you can see, I'm trying to go over it and get it to stay down. Or I may just put another one on after the video is over with and just go from there. I don't like how these lines in the middle seem to be like really difficult to get out. It almost feels like there's a crease in there. And I mean, that would make sense given the way that they wanted us to install it, but it just seems like they are not trying to come out. So I'm going to use this microfiber cleaning cloth and see if I can just kind of like, you know, rub them out with my finger. But yeah, I'm not really too big of a fan of how the screen protector is applied. I wish that there would have either been a little bit of a better mechanism to apply the screen protector, or quite frankly, Samsung, you used to put the screen protectors on for us. I wouldn't have had an issue with that either. Would I pay for this? At the current moment in this video, I do not know what the exact retail value of this case is. I believe it's upwards of $25. I would not. Just personally, I would not do it. Not for the money. It's $25 for this. It's just not really worth it. There are so many good options online. From Spigen, ESR, you've got Whitestone Dome. There are so many different options that you can go with other than this $25 film, especially for the fact that there's 2 in the package. It's almost as if they know one of them is not going to work the first time. So overall, it's not bad, but I definitely wish that there was, you know, I wish it was a little bit better. So, but that being said, I'm going to go ahead and end it here. This is the Samsung Galaxy anti-reflective screen protector for the S24 Ultra. So I'm going to put all this mess away. And yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Oh, one thing real quick, guys. I almost forgot. Let's make sure that the fingerprint scanner still works properly. So let's go on ahead and see if we can get that fingerprint scanner set up again. And as you can see, I got all that stuff on there. So I'll put my pattern in real quick. So I got my pattern in, so I'm gonna lock the phone. And now I'm gonna unlock the phone and boom. See if we can do it one more time. Boom. 3 times. Boom. So at least you know with this scanner, or with this screen protector, the fingerprint scanner is gonna work just fine. As you can see, not a single issue reactivating the screen protector. It's just moving, or reactivating the screen. It's just fine. So I will say that is a bonus. At least you know, because it's a Samsung screen protector, your fingerprint scanner is going to work flawlessly. So that being said, guys, Tech King Mike, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Links in the description below if you want to pick this up for yourself. Like I said, personally, I do think there are better options out there, and I will be doing my best to bring those options to you on the channel. But in the meantime, drop a comment down below, leave a like, subscribe if you're not, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.